Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So today's video is going to be all about how I prepare my skin for the day. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys some products that I have been recently using, and I'm going to give you guys a mini review of these products as well. So if you guys are interested to know more about these products, then please keep on watching. But if you're coming to my channel for the very first time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Now guys, all the products that I'm going to show you are from the brand Pond's. Now I think Pond's does not need any separate introduction. It is a well-loved brand here in India, and I'm sure that all of us, we own at least one product from Pond's. If we don't own it right now, I'm sure you must have used Pond's once in your lifetime because it's such a well-loved brand. And I'm going to show you how I prep my skin for the day using these products from Pond's. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you the very first product that I use, and it is the Pond's Bright Beauty Glowing Skin Firming Face Wash, which has vitamin B3 in it. Now this deep cleanses your pores and removes excess dirt. It is very gentle on the skin and exfoliates the dead skin cells so that your skin feels soft and glowing. To use it, all you need to do is wet your face and pump a little bit of this face wash and create lather, and then gently massage it onto the face and neck, and then just rinse it off. Now once you rinse it off, your skin feels super duper clean and very soft. Now the best thing about it is that it comes with this silicone brush, and this silicone brush is so soft. It just helps you to clean your face so well. I love the brush that it comes with. Now right after I wash my face, I just let it air dry, and then I just go in with this product right here, which is the Pond's Bright Beauty Spotless Glow Serum. Now this one has Gluta Boost C and helps to brighten your skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots. It has hyaluronic acid, which we all know is great for hydrating your skin. I just take a few drops on my skin and then just gently massage it onto my skin till it gets absorbed, and my skin feels so good. Now once I'm done with the serum, what I do is I next go in with a moisturizer, because hydration, moisturization is something that you should never skip. So I go in with Pond's Superlight gel. Now I am in love with this product, even before I start talking about it, because first of all, I love the texture of this product. It's very lightweight. It has a hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in it, which is very nice for the skin. It is not at all sticky. It's perfect for everyday use. I just take a little bit of this on my skin and then just gently massage it onto my face and neck, and till the time everything gets soaked up and it's not at all sticky. It makes my skin feel so well hydrated, keeps my skin moisturized and hydrated for a very long time. Now once my skin is well prepped, once it's clean, hydrated, moisturized, what I do next is that I go in with a BB cream or a foundation. Now foundation is something that I don't use every day because that is more on the heavier side. So I like to go in with a BB cream, because when it comes to BB creams, they have everything in them, right? So I like to go in with this one right over here, which is the Pond's BB Plus cream. So this one has an SPF of 30 and PA++. It is rich in vitamin. It gives you a very natural, flawless finish. I just take a little bit of this and apply this on my face and then just blend it out. You can use your fingers, or if you want, you can also use a brush to blend it out. The cream is super easy to blend, as you can see, and it gives a very natural finish. And I would say that the coverage is also pretty good. You can totally see how good the coverage is. So I am actually wearing this on my face right now, and it almost it gives you a very good coverage. So I'm very impressed with the coverage and how it looks on the skin, because it gives you a very natural kind of a finish. Now after this, I just go in with my normal makeup routine. For example, what I did after applying this BB cream is I just went in with a little bit of blush, eyeliner and lipstick, and my brows, because I cannot just do without my brows. So brows, liner, blush and lipstick, and I'm done. I'm sorry. So that's all that I do to prep my skin, and that's all that I do for the day. Now if you're just walking out in the sun and if you want to go ahead with another sunscreen, you can totally include the sunscreen before you apply the BB cream. Though the BB cream has an SPF, but if you just want some extra protection, you can definitely go in with a sunscreen and then go in with your BB cream. That is something you can totally do. So that's all guys. All the products that I've shown you in this video are linked down in my description box. Don't forget to check out my description box. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.